una is the Person with Disability Affairs Office is facilitating this kind of partnership with the various stakeholders in one way or another in response to the needs of the person with disability. In this today, we are responding. We are responding the need of the person with disability in the medical interventions. And with this partnership with the Baguio General Hospital Genetics Department, we are answering or making accessible medical interventions, because this is composed of different specializations in answer to the health development of a person with disability.
We have cases in the Cordillera Administrative Region, and that is the reason why meron tayong na-establish sa Baguio General Hospital na multidisciplinary clinic for rare diseases and Down syndrome. We have to prevent mga disabilities, and not only that, ay kailangan na they have to also live ng maayos din na buhay. It doesn't mean that they have the disease. Ganun na lang. Kailangan na maibigay sa kanila yung mga kailangan nila ng mga health services so that they can also live na parang normal din na walang mga sakit.
Papasalamat kami saka malaking kaginhawaan sa amin na merong ganitong medical caravan kasi ang dami nilang doctors, parang one-stop shop siya. Knowing na yung mga anak namin is very limited yung patient para tumayo, makipila. Kaya this is an advantage, and we are grateful, thankful, and happy that this event happened.